Hello everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Success Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
Huh. My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something. Oh, no, you clumsy clown.
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, missed a spot. Wow, great job, Mechanicals. A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet.
Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. It's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly.
I love what you've done with the garage, my little Gecky. It looked very different in my day.
Oh, thanks, Grandma.
Enjoying the scrub up, eh, Miles? He looks squeaky clean, little ones.
Mr. Weasel, he's in trouble. Grandma, wait! Thanks, Red.
Stand back, kids. Grandma, rolling out.
Mr. Weasel, what seems to be the trouble?
The accelerator is stuck! I can't slow down! Help!
Grandma, the sunroof!
You've got this, kiddo.
Oh!
Gecko, make it stop!
Oh, sorry! Oh, the accelerator's stuck down with bubble gum! Ew! Oh, phew! Oh, that was a close one.
Nonsense! I had it all under control.
Oh! I couldn't have done it without you, Grandma.
No problem, kiddo. Quick thinking there. I am proud of you.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals, we've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's Garage. See you all soon. Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Ah, everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in. Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading the car wash so it can spray paint. OK, Mummy Truck, go! Now we just need to wait for the paint to dry. What shall we do? How about a game of hide and seek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Have you seen Baby and the Mechanicals, Mummy Truck? Where could they be? Where could they be? Now it's my turn to hide. See you next time. Bye. All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Huh? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together. Thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby.